Okay students, now we are in the chapter of maxima minima, applications of differentiation chapter. Now we are going to discuss about maxima minima level 3, the chapter maxima minima. In previous class we have discussed level 2, level 3. Now this is level 3. In level 3, we have completed 15 sums in previous class. Now, let us going to discuss about 16 sum. This is 16 sum. So, let us going to discuss about 16 sum. 16 sum. 16 sum. The sum of hypotenuse and the side of right angle triangle is constant. Read the question carefully and do the sum. 16th question. The sum of hypotenuse of a side of right angle triangle is constant. Sum of hypotenuse and side of a right angle triangle. Let the name ABC of the triangle. Sum of hypotenuse and a side of a right angle triangle is constant. If the area of triangle is maximum, then the angle between the hypotenuse and the given side. Let us discuss about this side. This given condition I am writing here. Given condition is A side. Let us take this AB and hypotenuse. Sum of the A side, sum of one side and hypotenuse is constant. AB plus AC is equal to K. Let I am writing length of side. Length of side AB is equal to L. Length of side AB is equal to L. So this is L. That implies you can write here L plus AC is equal to K. Therefore, AC is equal to, you can write K minus L. So I am writing here as K minus L. Using the right angle triangle concept, we can write here BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square. So this is AB. AC square minus AB square. So what is the value of BC here? BC is equal to root of square root of AC square minus AB square. You can write here AC means K minus L whole square. Minus AB means L square. Let us write the equation, the side BC. Let us write the side BC is equal to, by expanding this one, we can write here K square minus 2KL plus L square minus L square. L square minus L square will be getting cancelled. K square minus 2KL you can write here. I am writing here BC value K square minus 2KL. Now, area of triangle I am writing. Area of triangle, we know that half into base into height. Here base is BC and height is AB. Half into base into height. That implies, indicate with the letter A. A is equal to 1 by 2 into root of. This is root of K square minus 2KL. K square minus 2KL into L. K square minus 2KL into L. To find out the area is min or max, we can calculate this one. dA by dL is equal to 0. 1 by 2 into root of K square minus 2KL. K square minus 2KL into L derivative 1. With respect to L I am doing. L into here, with respect to L I am doing. So here minus 2 can rule derivative by root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So 2 root of K square minus 2KL. 2 root of K square minus 2KL is equal to 0. 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled here. K square minus 2KL you can write here. So 1 by 2 into square root and square root will get cancelled here. K square minus 2KL into K square minus 2KL minus KL. Minus KL equal to 0. You can try to understand here k square minus 3kl equal to 0. K taken common. You can write k minus 3l equal to 0. So k is equal to 0. This is wrong. No. Because side should not be here 0 negative. This is wrong. So k equal to 0 you don't take. K is equal to 3l you can take here. K is equal to 3l. What he is asking? The angle he is asking. K is equal to 3l. So instead of k you can substitute BC. Now BC I am writing. Using k is equal to 3l. BC is equal to, there indicated k square minus 2kl. What is the value of k square? 9l square minus 2kl. 2kl means 2 into 3l into l, 6l square. So this is 9l square minus 6l square. 9l square minus 6l square means root 3l this one. Root 3l. So A is equal to, here I am writing as this one is L and this one is root 3L. You can write here this is A, this is B, this is C. So K is equal to 3L. From BC I am writing here. From BC I am writing. From BC you can get the value here. BC you can substitute the value. BC is equal to root 3L. In triangle this one AC, this is K minus L. In the triangle ABC, using tan theta in this right angle triangle, you can say that adjacent set, this is theta, opposite by adjacent. So L into root 3, L into root 3 by L, L and L get cancelled, theta is equal to 60 degrees. The angle he given as theta is equal to 60. He did not give, we proved this one. In some standard books, this is the descriptive question in advanced. In previous days, he given this question as prove that the adjacent angle between these two sides, wherever the area is maximum, is pi by 3. Like that in descriptive question, IIT 2006, he given like that. Only IIT JEE question. Now let us discuss about 17th question, which is somewhat lengthy question. 17th one. The least perimeter of isosceles triangle. The least perimeter of isosceles triangle in which a circle of radius r can be. Least perimeter. 17th question. The least perimeter of an isosceles triangle in which a circle of radius r can be inscribed. A circle of radius r can be inscribed in a triangle. Try to observe these things, students. Circle of radius r inscribed in triangle. In previous days, we said that if a triangle inscribed in circle, if the triangle is having maximum area, the triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. If it becomes an equilateral triangle, the angles are also always equal, 60, 60, 60. So A is equal to r sin A, B is equal to r sin B, C is equal to r sin C. So A is equal to r sin 60, B is equal to r sin 60, C is equal to also to r sin 60. The perimeter he is asking, P is equal to A plus B plus C. So 2 are taken common, sin 60 plus sin 60 plus sin 60, root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, 3 root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled, 3 root 3 r. 3 root 3 r is the correct answer. Here you observe this thing, 3 root 3 r is not there. It is another question I am discussing with you. This is, observe carefully, least perimeter of isosceles triangle which a circle of radius r can be inscribed in. Here try to understand that circle inscribed in triangle, there triangle inscribed in circle. So let us discuss about this one. Circle inscribed in triangle. That too isosceles triangle. Circle inscribed in triangle. Circle inscribed in triangle, students. Let us draw the diagram like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. A, B, C we have drawn. In the similar way, this is E, this is F. This is in circle. AD, BE, CF are internal bisectors here. AD, BE, CF. AD, BE and CF are internal bisectors or angular bisectors. Internal bisectors or angular bisectors. I is the in center and ID, let the name here. ID, we know that ID is equal to IE is equal to IF is equal to small r. Small r means in radius here. ID is equal to IE is equal to IF is equal to small r. Let us indicate with small r here. This is small r, this is small r, this is small r. Now we should calculate about here what the perimeter he asked. Perimeter means here AB plus BC plus CA, total perimeter I am writing here. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to side plus side plus side, AB plus BC plus CA. That is equal to P I am writing here. AB means this one taken as the parts AF plus FB plus BD plus DC plus CE plus EA. That is the perimeter. AB plus AF plus FB plus BD plus DC plus CE plus FA. Sir, why you are writing like this? I will say the dividing the parts. This is right angle triangle at D and this is right angle triangle at E and this is right angle triangle at F. Okay, let us discuss about the angles now. Since he given the triangle, since a triangle ABC is isosceles, triangle ABC isosceles he given, that implies I am discussing with you that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to theta. Therefore, you can write here this full angle is theta and this full angle is theta. Since these are bisectors, you can understand that this small angle is theta by 2. Here you can write theta by 2 and here also you can write theta by 2 students. This is theta by 2. Now let us discuss about angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to, since we know that sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees, so you can write his 180 minus 2 theta, because this full angle theta, this full angle theta, 180 minus 2 theta. Therefore, since I am once again I am writing, therefore I am writing here angle BAD, angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to, because this is 90 minus theta, angle BAD and angle DAC I am writing. Angle BAD and angle DAC is equal to 90 minus theta bisecting of this 180 minus 2 theta. This is 90 minus theta. So here this one I am writing as 90 minus theta and this one I am writing as 90 minus theta. Let us separate the triangles and let us calculate the each and every value to calculate the perimeter. Now let us discuss about the triangle. In triangle I am writing, in triangle AID, let us draw the diagram, rough diagram AID. Here D, we can start here AIF you take, not AIF students. AIF or AIE no problem. AIE or AIF. This is E, here it is perpendicular, so this is I and this is A. Yet A we got the value 90 minus theta, and here you can say that this is theta obviously, because sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees, this is 90, this is 90. So 180 minus of 90 plus 90 minus theta. So 180 minus 90 minus 90 plus theta. 180 minus 180 get cancelled, theta you will get. Of course, obviously you can understand this is 90, this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Here you can write IE is equal to R, radius is there. In triangle, this one here, you can write tan theta by tan theta, not by 2. This is only tan theta. Tan theta is equal to R by AE, opposite by AE by R. Tan theta is equal to, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite of theta is AE. So tan theta is equal to, you can write here AE by R. Therefore, AE is equal to R tan theta. AE is equal to R tan theta. Put a box here. Similarly, I am writing. Similarly, we get not only AE, that side you can write AF. AF is also R tan theta. AF is equal to also R tan theta. Now, let us discuss about another triangle. Now, once again I am writing. Now, in triangle, this triangle I am writing. In triangle FBI, FIB, in triangle FIB I am writing. Let us take this one. This triangle. At F, it is 90 degrees. And put here I and it is B. At B, this indicated the angle theta by 2. Here it is theta. No, not theta. Don't write here. It is not indicated. In this triangle, IF is equal to, we know that radius. Now you can write here tan theta by 2 is equal to R by FB. Tan theta by 2 is equal to R by FB. Then you can understand that FB is equal to here. By taking cross multiplication, you get FB is equal to R cot theta by 2. FB is equal to R cot theta by 2. Similarly, I am saying that similarly, not only FB, in the same way, BD, DC, CE, BD, I am writing here. BD is equal to DC is equal to CE is equal to R cot theta by 2. To indicate the separation, I use the red pen here. AE and AF are separate R tan theta by 2. And these are separate R cot theta by 2. This is R tan theta and these are R cot theta by 2. Let us write the perimeter. This is the first equation. From 1 I am writing here. From 1 perimeter P, write the letter P. Now you can understand that R tan theta plus R tan theta, 2R tan theta, total 2 letters are there. 2R tan theta plus here 4 because this is FB, BD, DC, CE. So total 4 letters are there. You can write 4R cot theta by 2. This is the perimeter. Perimeter P is equal to, you can take common 2R. Now you can write here tan theta plus 2 cot theta by 2. To calculate the perimeter P is min or max, then we can write here dP by d theta is equal to 0 to R into the value of tan theta. The derivative of tan theta is secant square theta. Secant square theta minus 2 into internal derivative 1 by 2 into the derivative of this one cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta internal derivative by 2. 2R taken that side and you can write here secant square theta is equal to cosecant square theta by 2. So I am writing here as cos square theta. Cos square theta here. 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta is equal to sin square theta by 2. Taken the cross multiplication, we can write that sin square theta by 2. Sin square theta by 2 is equal to cos square theta. That implies I am writing here sin square theta by 2. Sin square theta by 2 is equal to, we know that the value of cos theta using submultiple angles 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Here you can write here 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 overall whole square. That implies I am writing here sin square theta by 2. This is a sin square. Sin square theta by 2 plus 1 plus 4 sin power of 4 theta by 2 minus 4 sin square theta by 2. 4 sin square theta by 2. That implies that 4 taken this side. You can write here 4 sin power 4 theta by 2 minus this one taken this side, it becomes 5 sin square theta by 2. 5 sin square theta by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term or factorization, we may get the value 4 sin power 4 theta by 2 minus 4 sin square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. And here you can take the common the value 4 sin square theta by 2. Within the brackets you can get sin square theta by 2 minus 1, and minus 1 you can take here common, minus 1 taken common, then it becomes sin square theta by 2 minus 1 equal to 0. We can say that sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 comma. Next step, sin square theta by 2 equal to 1. Whenever sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 4, you can write here sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Here sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 is equal to 1. Whenever sin theta by 2 is equal to 1, theta by 2 is equal to sin 90 equal to 1, you can write here pi by 2 and theta is equal to pi. This is wrong, absurd, no. Because the sum of angles equal to 180 degrees, theta is equal to simple 180 should not get. So sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 you can consider. Whenever sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, theta by 2 is equal to pi by 6. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Students, theta is equal to pi by 3 we got. So this is pi by 6, pi by 6, pi by 6, pi by 3 and 90 minus theta. So total 180 minus. So this is isosceles triangle. This is 60, this is 60, this is also 60. At last, like previous sum, we got here equilateral triangle, but the difference is there. Here perimeter should calculate. Theta is equal to pi by 3. This became equilateral triangle. Observe this thing, and we need P. Now I am writing. Now P is equal to 2r into what is the value here? Tan theta. 2r into tan theta means tan 30. Tan 30 value √3 and cot theta. Cot theta value cot 30, that is also √3. Now P is equal to, here I am writing, 2r into tan 60 value √3 and cot 30 value also √3. √3 plus √3, here 2 is there, so 2 √3. 2 √3 plus √3, 3 √3. 3 √3 into 2, 6 √3 r. Observe this thing in standard books. This is a standard bit. This is the proof. 6 √3 r of 17th question. Now let us discuss about 18th question. The longest distance of point A comma 0. The longest distance of point A comma 0. A point is given from a point A comma 0 from the curve. A curve may be a parabola or any curve he given. From that point to this curve has minimum distance. Has from the curve is given by the longest curve. The longest distance from, let us draw a rough diagram, and here I am writing a P, Px comma y, and here I am writing Q, Qa comma 0 he given. You should calculate the distance D. Distance D is the max. The maximum distance is asking. The least perimeter, no. The longest distance, that is the maximum I am saying. The longest distance from the point A comma 0 from the curve 2x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0 is given by. The value curve, given curve I am writing. Given curve. Given curve he given as. Given curve 2x square. 2x square plus y square minus 2x. 2x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. Next step shall I write like this, students? 2x minus 2x square. This is 2x minus 2x square. Now we can write here y is equal to square root of 2x minus 2x square. It's okay. Now let us discuss about the point P x comma y. At Px comma y we can write here x comma square root of 2x minus 2x square. 2x minus 2x square. Now let us write PQ. The distance PQ is equal to D, I am writing here. Distance between 2 points, we can write a square root of x minus a whole square. X minus a whole square plus square root of this one 2x minus 2x square minus 0 whole square, our root got cancelled. Root 2x minus 2x square minus 0 whole square, here root square got cancelled. I am writing d square. D square is equal to expand like this x square plus y square minus 2xa plus 2x minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Next d square, let us write with this as f of x. F of x is equal to, first of all a square I am writing. A square minus 2xa plus 2x minus x square. Because x square minus 2x square is minus x square. Let us calculate f dash x. To find the distances min or max, f dash x is equal to 0. So a square here, first the derivative is 0. And you can write here x derivative 1, so minus 2a plus 2 minus 2x here equal to 0. With 2, with minus 2 you can divide it. So it becomes a minus 1. A minus 1 minus x equal to 0 plus x equal to 0. Because minus with minus got divided. Minus, this is plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Okay. Now you can write here x is equal to, taken that side 1 minus a. X is equal to 1 minus a we got here. If you substitute the value x is equal to 1 minus a in d square or d, sub d, from d I am writing it. D means distance. From d root of, here you can write x, instead of x 1 minus a. So 1 minus a whole square plus 2x. So here you can write 2 minus 2a minus 2x square minus 2 into 1 minus a whole square over root. That is equal to, here you can write 1 minus 2a whole square. 1 minus 2a whole square plus 2 minus 2a minus 2 into, by expanding 1 minus a whole square, this is minus 2 minus 2a square plus 4a. That is equal to, once again I am expanding here, 1 minus 4a. Okay. 1 minus 4a plus 4a square plus 2 and 2 get cancelled here. So don't write here. Minus 2a square I am writing plus 4a. Here minus 4a plus 4a got cancelled. And minus 2a we should write here. Minus 2a, it is not got cancelled. So they let at last minus 2a I am writing. Minus 2a. Now you can write here 4a square minus 2a square becomes 2a square. 2a square minus 2a plus 1 is the distance of the point given as fourth option, 1 minus 2a plus 2a square. It's okay. Next let us discuss about 19th question. 19th question. This is the equation of asteroid x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3, which has no shape like amoeba. 19th one. The maximum distance from origin to any point on the curve. The curve he given as x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. This is the curve. Maximum distance from origin we should calculate. Such process is there and some shortcut is there. Process and shortcuts, two ways. Let x is equal to, whenever the asteroid given, everyone know that the parametric points of this one, x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta. To find out, he is asking the maximum distance from origin. OP is equal to a square into cos power 6 theta. This one you should calculate. A square. O means origin. x a cos theta minus 0 whole square plus b sin theta minus 0 whole square becomes a square cos power 6 theta plus a square sin power 6 theta. Whenever a square had taken common, we can write a square into cos power sin 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta over root. Let us take it common as a and to root of this you can written as cos square theta whole cube. Cos square theta whole cube plus sin square theta whole cube. Let us write the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Using this data we can write the value a is equal to, here a means cos square theta and b means sin square theta. A plus b whole cube becomes 1 minus 3 into cos square theta sin square theta, within the brackets cos theta plus sin theta becomes 1. So you can write here 3 by 4. 3 into sin square theta cos theta, I am dividing and multiplying with sin square theta cos square theta. In trigonometry we have discussed this one plenty of times. Whenever we get the value sin square theta cos square theta model, we used to multiply and divide with 4 because 2 sin theta cos theta whole square is 4 sin square theta cos square theta and 2 sin theta cos theta formed by sin 2 theta. That is equal to a into root of 1 minus 3 by 4. Here I am writing as sin square 2 theta because sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin square 2 theta. If we put the value, we know that the value of range of sin square theta is 0 and 1. If we put the 0 value here 3 by 4 into 0, a into 1 minus 0, that answer is a, correct first option. Second, next in another way, in IPE sum is there x power 2 by 3. If any tangent drawn to the asteroid, if the tangent meet the coordinates x at A and B, just IPE sum, I am making you to remember that this is a curve. A curve, this is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3. If a tangent drawn to the curve and if the tangent drawn the tangent meets coordinate axis A and B, the length of AB is constant A. It is concept of tangents and normals. By hearting or by remembering the answer, it is A. This is second method. Next, third method I am saying, that is the original process. So anyhow the answer is A, whether you by heart or remember as a formula, anything, the answer is A. Now I am saying original process. Now f, let us write here f of theta. Squaring both sides, OP square I am writing. This is OP. OP means distance from origin to the point. Now I am writing OP square. OP square is equal to a square into 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Sin square 2 theta. Let this is f of theta. This one as f of theta. To find the distance, whether the distance is min or max, f dash theta is equal to 0. So a square into this is 0 minus 3 by 4 into, you can write the derivative of sin square 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta model, and you can write here 2 sin 2 theta into again sin derivative cos 2 theta and into the internal derivative 2 is equal to 0. Don't cut off 2 and 2. 1, 2 you can get cancelled, this one 2 times. Next one you write here minus 3a square by 2 into sin 4 theta equal to 0. This is 2 sin theta cos theta model, sin 4 theta equal to 0. Whenever sin theta is equal to 0, we know that theta is equal to n pi is the general solution and theta is equal to n pi by 4. You can write where n belongs to z. Here n belongs to z. If you put n is equal to 1, here you can write 2 theta, you can substitute the value here in f of theta. If theta is n is equal to 1, it is pi by 4, sin 2 pi by 4 means sin 90, 1 minus 3 by 4, 4 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4, a square by 4, it is answer a by 2. A by 2 is also option is there. A is also option there. So how we should do, sir? How we can get the value? We should calculate second derivative also. This is the original process. So now I am writing f double dash of theta. What is the value of f double dash of theta? Here For this one I am writing minus 3a square by 2, leave as a constant. Minus 3a square by 2, this is a square here. Minus 3a square by 2 into, you can write here 4 cos 4 theta, this derivative. 4 cos 4 theta. If I am writing here, if n is equal to pi by 4, that n is equal to pi by 4 means n is equal to 1 I am writing. N is equal to 1 within the brackets odd. In odd case, f double dash theta becomes, you write here 1 means here it is pi by 4, f that implies theta is equal to pi by 4 I am writing. Whenever you had written pi by 4 pi by 4 becomes pi, cos pi value minus 1, minus into minus plus. So f double dash theta greater than 0. Whenever greater than 0, it is minimum. It is minimum. If n is equal to 2, you write. Within the bracket I am writing even. N is equal to 2, if you substitute 2 pi by 4 is pi by 2 and becomes cos 2 pi is 1 and minus 12a square by 2 minus 6a square. So it becomes less than 0. F double dash theta is equal to less than 0 is maximum. So where we got the maximum value, he is asking the maximum distance. Where we got the maximum value, there we should calculate the difference. Maximum value we got at n is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2 means here 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 2 I am writing. Yet you write. Yet theta is equal to pi by 2. F theta is maximum. F theta is maximum. Now you can write here OP square directly. OP square or OP directly you can write. OP is equal to, whenever theta is equal to 90 degrees sine 2 into, this is sine square to theta, 2 theta is equal to 180 degrees sine 180 always 0. So 1 minus it becomes 0. So OP is equal to, simply you can write here. This is the original process. 19 sums completed. Let us discuss about 20th question. What I am saying, remember this one. This you can remember as simply A. Sometimes you may get the answer doubt as A by 2 also. That is why I said the original proof. Now let us discuss about 20th question. 20. A straight line through the point h comma k, where h greater than 0, k greater than 0 means here everything is in first quadrant. Don't confuse about second, third or fourth. Here it is in first quadrant. If you take trigonometric equations also, you can take in Q1. Makes positive intercepts on the coordinate axis, then the minimum length of line intersect between the coordinate axis. Let us draw the diagram like this. He given the hint that everything is in first quadrant. Let here O A B. The point P, he given as this is h comma k. You should calculate AB. To find out I am writing. You should calculate AB. So AB distance you should calculate. Let us draw a perpendicular line from P to x axis. This is x axis. M. This is y axis. Let us draw a perpendicular line. This is a projection I am saying N upon OB. This is M and N you can take here. The straight line through, he given h comma k, simply that only hint he given h comma k. The line is passing through. We have drawn the perpendicular lines. So let us, this angle theta, the angle made, this left I am writing, left angle OAB. Angle OAB is equal to theta. Students, this is angle in same segment, this one also theta. Angle in same segment, same side, same way. So angle NPB, angle NPB is equal to also theta. Now we can write using a cos theta, using this is a right angle triangle because the projection I have drawn. This is a projection, drawn projections from P to x axis M and drawn projections P to y axis N. I did not write on the board, you can understand and you write in notebook. This is NPB is equal to theta. Now let us discuss about students. You know that this is H because this is point H, which is H unit distance from origin, and this is K. This is K. Okay. Let us discuss about this is also H. In triangle I am writing. In triangle PMA, this is A, P. In where theta we thought at theta, this is K. In triangle PMA, let us discuss about cos theta, AM by K. If we write this is AP, because he is asking AB, better to write AP. AP means let us write secant theta. Secant theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So no need to write here cosec, you write. Cosecant theta is equal to K by AP. K by AP. So AP is equal to K by AP is sin theta, students. Otherwise cosec theta AP by K we can write. Cosec theta is equal to AP by K, no problem. AP by K we can write. So simply you write AP is equal to K cosecant theta. AP is equal to K cosecant theta. Put the box. Next, in triangle, another triangle. In triangle PBN. In triangle PBN. Draw the diagram. Here it is P and here it is B. BP we should calculate. N. At P we drawn the angle here. We had written. We should write the angle theta here. Theta. BN we don't know. NP we know. Using this one in triangle. In this triangle, what we should calculate? Using cosecant theta we had written here. Better to write here secant theta. Secant theta is equal to BP by Pn. BP by Pn. So BP by H. BP by H. That implies you can write here secant theta. BP is equal to H secant theta. Now to find out I written as AB. Now you can write here AB is equal to AB plus PB. AP plus PB. Whatever AB here also put a box. Whatever AP K cosecant theta and H secant theta. AB is equal to H secant theta. H secant theta plus K cosecant theta. Dear students, in previous concept we discussed about min-max values of standard bits. Using standard bit or standard result I am writing. Using standard result. Of course we can do the proof also. Using standard result. Using standard result, page number 177 I think. Just wait. Page number 177. Just to see the page number 177, you can try to understand the fifth formula. Page number 177. Formula number 5. Using standard result. The standard result he given as formula number 5, that the minimum value. There you can read the question. The minimum value of A secant x plus B cosecant x at x is equal to tan inverse B by A whole power 1 by 3 is A power 2 by 3. Here I am writing A power. Why should write directly? You can write A power 2 by 3 means here H power 2 by 3. B power 2 by 3 means here K power 2 by 3. There he given as A power 2 by 3 plus B power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Here we can write here H power 2 by 3 plus K power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Using that. Sir, how we should do, sir, if you are getting any doubt? Let this is a theta and to calculate whether it is min or max f dash theta is equal to 0 by second derivative, getting the value, and you can substitute and you can get the value. I think already we have discussed previously, that is why I said directly. Now 28th question, according to options here, h power 2 by 3 plus k power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2 is first option. Now let us discuss about 21st question. 21st question depends upon slope concept. It is nothing but dy by dx. Capital A 0 comma A and capital B 0 comma B fixed points. Let you write here capital A 0 comma A and capital B 0 comma B. Let A 0 comma A and 0 comma B fixed points. P x comma 0 is a variable point. The angle APB is maximum. Here you can write P x comma 0. Let the angle APB is maximum. Here this is theta. If you think this is theta, this theta is maximum. Whenever theta is maximum, the value and the condition you should calculate. Here I am writing the slope m1. Slope m1. Here I am writing the slope m2. Slope m2. Now let us write the slope of AP is equal to m1. m1 is equal to, using the formula y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1 a minus 0 by 0 minus x, you can write here minus a by x. That is the slope of this line. m2 is equal to b minus 0 by 0 minus x. Here also, this is also minus b by x. Now you can write the angle. Here you should calculate the angle theta. Tan theta is equal to, using the formula m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So tan theta is equal to, you can write here, what is the value of m1 minus a by x. Here b by x. Minus a by x plus b by x by 1 plus ab by x square you write. Next step, tan theta is equal to, take an LCM x. Tan theta is equal to, here you can write b minus a whole by x into x square by, taken that side, here you can write x square by x square plus ab, x square by x square plus ab within modulus. X and x will be getting cancelled here. So tan theta you can write here. The angle is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, I am writing as x into b minus a by x square plus ab. Let this one you think as f of x. Otherwise theta derivative, secant square theta d theta by dx. Why should we write unnecessarily theta? There is no preference of theta, there is no value for theta. So f of x you think, to calculate the derivative f dash x, to find the angle is min or max, f dash x is equal to 0. b minus a you take common, and u by v method we can proceed as vu dash minus uv dash by v square. X square plus ab into 1 minus x into x square derivative 2x whole by, we can write here x square plus ab whole square. X square plus ab whole square is equal to 0. These terms taken that side, you can write here x square plus ab. X square plus ab minus 2x square equal to 0. Then you can write here x square is equal to ab. You can say that a, b and x are in GP, otherwise the condition is x square is equal to ab. Simply given as x square equal to ab, first option. 20